Today, I'll show you how to create birthdays in Google Calendar so you never miss an important celebration again. We'll go step by step on a computer, keeping things simple and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to see birthdays on your calendar and how to add your own custom birthday events. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account where you want these birthdays to appear. If you're using multiple accounts in the same browser, just double check the profile picture in the top right corner to confirm you're in the right one. Once the calendar loads, you'll see the main calendar view in the center and a sidebar on the left. On the left side of the screen, look for the section called My Calendars. You might need to click a small arrow or caret next to it to expand the list. This section contains different calendars tied to your account, like your main calendar, reminders, tasks, and sometimes holidays. We're going to use this area to make sure birthdays are visible. Within that list, find the calendar labeled Birthdays. If you don't see it right away, scroll down a little or check if it's grouped under other calendars instead. Once you find it, click the small checkbox next to Birthdays to enable it. When it's checked, your calendar will start showing birthday information it can pull from your contacts. This can include birthdays you've added to people's details in your Google contacts. If the box is unchecked, those birthdays will be hidden, so this step is important. Now that the birthdays calendar is turned on, let's create a birthday event manually. Look to the top left of the screen for the Create button. It's usually a colored button with a plus sign. Click on Create and a panel or pop-up window will appear where you can set up a new calendar item. In this new event window, you'll see different options. Choose Event. This tells Google Calendar that you want to make a standard event rather than a task or something else. Once you've selected Event, you'll see fields for the event details. At the top, click into the title field and type in the person's name and that it's their birthday. For example, you might write something like Dad's birthday or Alex's birthday. Keeping a clear title makes it easy to spot at a glance when you're scanning your calendar. Next, select the date and time, click on the date, and choose the correct birthday from the calendar picker. Many people prefer to make birthdays an all-day event, so they show up across the top of the day instead of at a specific hour. You can do this by toggling the all-day option. If you want a specific time, like a party or a cool reminder, set the start and end time instead. You can also adjust settings like notifications here if you want a reminder a day or two before. When you're happy with the details, go to the bottom of the window and click Save. Your birthday event will now appear on your Google Calendar on the date you selected. With the birthdays calendar enabled and your custom event created, you'll have a clear view of upcoming birthdays right alongside your other plans.